Judge R. Mark Browning. Judge Robert Mark Browning became a First Circuit Court judge on May 6, 2010. He had been a district family court judge since 1997 and was the presiding juvenile drug court judge from 2002 to 2010. Prior to his appointment to the family court, Judge Browning was a partner with the law firm Shimtam Kirimitsu, Kitamura and Chang. He also served as a deputy prosecuting attorney for the city and county of Honolulu. Judge Browning has served and is serving on a number of professional and community boards and committees, including the Project Visitation Advisory Committee, Friends of Foster Kids Board, Judicial Education Committee, Juvenile Detention Alternative Initiative, Steering Committee, Hawaii Supreme Court Committee on Divorce Proceedings and Procedures, Juvenile Crime Enforcement Coalition, American Judicature Society, and the Volunteer Settlement Master Advisory Committee. He is a graduate of Northwestern School of Law at Lewis and Clark College. Professional services. R. Mark Browning named Hawaii Senior Family Court Judge. Save. February 18, 2011, 11:52 a.m. HST. R. Mark Browning has been named Senior Judge of the Family Court in the First Circuit in Honolulu effective March 4th. He fills the vacancy created by Sabrina McKenna, who was confirmed as Associate Justice of the Hawaii Supreme Court earlier this week. Browning served as a district family court judge from 1997 to 2010, when he became a circuit court judge. Prior to that, he was a partner with the law firm Shimtam Kirimitsu Kitamura and Chang. He also served as a deputy prosecuting attorney for the city and county of Honolulu. Judge Browning has a wealth of experience at family court and cares deeply about Hawaii's children and families, said Hawaii Chief Justice Mark Richtenwald in a prepared statement. I am confident that Judge Browning will provide strong leadership as senior judge. 1. The Honorable R. Mark Browning, Judge of the Circuit Court of the First Circuit State of Hawaii. 2. To Gator News. Question. Why is first and only beneficiary, don't care? 3. Gator News. Question. Not mad about estate services minus Stephen Harris, its manager, giving assets to another non-profit organizations. 4. Gator News. Question. Why are they not mad about 30 more beneficiaries added? 5. Gator News. Question. Why? It just hit me. Remember I have said that. They have it down. 99.9% go to Jim Bob, and Joe Bob gets 43/3%, and this one gets 62/7%. 6. Gator News. Question. Why? I will tell you why. They share. 7. Gator News. Question. How do you add 30 beneficiaries to a will? 8. Gator News. 12 million business property estate, 17 more beneficiaries added. 9. Gator News. 42 entitled, You are witness to the destruction of our true and only law. 10. Gator News. The Constitution of the United States of America. 11. content://com.android.chrome.fil provider/downloads/the percent, 20 number percent, 20 of percent, 20 homeless percent, 20 people percent, 20 in percent, 20 Hawaii percent, 20 is percent, 20 decreasing percent, 20 minus percent, 20 Pacific percent, 20 standard.mhtml Governor pledges to end homelessness in Hawaii by 2020. 100 hours Governor pledges to end homelessness in Hawaii by 2020. By Allison Blair, July 21, 2016 at 9:21 p.m. HST, minus updated July 27 at 3:41 p.m. Honolulu, Hawaii News. No minus Gov. David Ige pledged Thursday to end homelessness in Hawaii by 2020, as part of an ambitious plan that includes building 10,000 affordable housing units and bolstering programs that help people get into housing more quickly. And he said he'll use $12 million appropriated by the state legislature to jumpstart the ambitious plan. As I've said from the very beginning, there is no quick fix to homelessness, I've said. Over the next 4 years, the governor wants to eliminate homeless encampments on state land, move everyone on the street into housing, and build 10,000 affordable units. The governor's goal is to bring homelessness to functional zero. In other words, while people might still fall into homelessness, they would be moved into housing within a couple months' time. The common goal is to get people into housing as quickly as possible, said Scott Morishage, the governor's homeless coordinator. And not only get them into housing but provide them with the right level of support so they can maintain that housing. To do that, $2 million will be distributed among service providers for homeless outreach. $1.4 million will go to a family assessment center under construction in Kakako, and another $6 million will be used for housing programs. Me. Copyright 2019 StarAdvertiser.com. All rights reserved. 500 Alabama Mona Boulevard. Number 7-210. Honolulu, high 96,813. Telephone 808-529-4747. This is unbelievable. Look at the figure they used. 12 million. This was the figure Eric St. Young, a law corporation, quoted to me. This is said to be approximate, with 4 million going to fees and taxes. This attorney information offered for estate services minus Stephen Harris, its manager. This company has letters of administration, with that, all parties to estate revolve around estate services minus Stephen Harris, its manager. 12 Gator News. The Constitution of the United States of America. 13 We the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. 14 This is a homeless camp near the airport, Hawaii. 15 It takes a village to solve homelessness, so this Hawaii businessman is building one. Faced with the highest rate of homelessness in the nation, a unique public-private partnership may offer families a foundation. Story by Timothy A. Schuler. Photography by Chrysel Marcellus. Published on July 10, 2017. Facebook. Twitter. Email. The site is hot, black and barren, the only vegetation a tangle of kia'i trees and mangroves that ring the small peninsula, which juts into Ki'ai Lagoon. Interspersed among the trees and perched within them are ramshackle dwellings of every variety. Dozens of them, cobbled together from plywood, plastic tarps, corrugated metal, and bicycle parts. Some float on the water like miniature houseboats. Related stories. In push for downtown revitalization, Reno might criminalize homelessness. The future of Honolulu depends on its parks. Here are the great places in America, according to planners. Digital tool aims to ID urban planning as winners, losers. This is one of Honolulu's many homeless encampments, and one of its most hidden. Occupying a man-made spit in a man-made lagoon, one the result of the other just east of the Honolulu airport. The approximately 11-acre property is marooned from the rest of the city by a foreboding highway interchange, which tentacles into the surrounding neighborhoods like a giant, concrete squid. Until recently, the property was known for 2 things, its homeless camp and its paintball course, each an assortment of industrial inspiring. Better cities. Menu. Enter your email. Sign up. Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, RSS. Blaine Carisu. This story was made possible by our members. Join today. It takes a village to solve homelessness, so this Hawaii businessman is building one. Faced with the highest rate of homelessness in the nation, a unique public-private partnership may offer families a foundation. Story by Timothy A. Schuler. Photography by Chrysel Marcellus. Published on July 10, 2017. Facebook. Twitter. Email. The site is hot, black and barren, the only vegetation a tangle of kia'i trees and mangroves that ring the small peninsula, which juts into Ki'ai Lagoon. Interspersed among the trees and perched within them are ramshackle dwellings of every variety. Dozens of them, cobbled together from plywood, plastic tarps, corrugated metal and bicycle parts. Some float on the water like miniature houseboats. Related stories. In push for downtown revitalization, Reno might criminalize homelessness. The future of Honolulu depends on its parks. Here are the great places in America, according to planners. Digital tool aims to ID urban planning as winners, losers. This is one of Honolulu's many homeless encampments, and one of its most hidden. Occupying a man-made spit in a man-made lagoon, one the result of the other just east of the Honolulu airport. The approximately 11-acre property is marooned from the rest of the city by a foreboding highway interchange, which tentacles into the surrounding neighborhoods. Lee. 16 Northeast Georgia Medical Association. They use brain dead to still your organs. Merriam-Webster's Collegiate Dictionary 11th edition. Steal, stole, stealing underbar to take the property of another wrongfully and especially as a habitual or regular practice, to take or appropriate with outright or leave and with intent, to keep or make use of wrongfully. To take away by force or unjust means, to take surreptitiously or without permission. Thanks for looking. Come back as often as you can. The cable company is for everyone. Let me rephrase that the cable company is for all citizens of America.
Okay, guys, come on back and see me. Mitchell Arano Sr., 301 Harbor Valley Road, Tacoma, Georgia, 30577. Write me today. Tell me what's on your mind. I'm going to tell you what's on mine, okay? Come on back. We got some more coming up.